Alright, so I'm on my way to the shop. Gonna go ahead and tune Frank's truck. Roy told me that they installed a bigger fuel pump and that they want to blow it up. Said they blow it up so we can put the 408 in it. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna try my best to keep it alive, and hopefully Frank can race Alex this weekend at the San Antonio shootout. I want to see what it runs. Kind of curious. I've never seen. I don't think I've ever tuned a truck with a single turbo stock bottom end in the 8s. It has potential to go 8s, but we'll see how it goes. And I'm gonna tune Alex's truck tomorrow, I think, as well. So I'm tuning both trucks. It's gonna be interesting. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, let's get into the shop right now. What we got right here? LSA C5.
Little Zio suit. Another day in the office.
They're gonna be like, man, Caesar turned into a black dude.
What this is, man?
It's a stock bottom end, LQ4 PRC heads. They're not even a 3/4 deck cast. It's just a factory. I think it's a 243 with CNC work. It's got a Boost Tech Fab turbo kit with a, I think it's an 83 millimeter. Not sure. I think it says right here. Let me see.
Oh yeah, 83.
83, right?
Yeah.
83
millimeter.
So on the 85, they just upgraded the fuel pump to a 5.0 GPM. They want to turn it up even more.
What did it make last time?
It made, what is it, like 1020, something like that? 1020.
All right.
But we can't disclose the final numbers.
All right.
But y'all gonna be able to hear it and witness it.
All right, all right.
I think they changed the studs and head gaskets for some reason. I think it was peaking off the overflow or something like that.
Okay.
So,
all right.
see what we got.
What's going on here, buddy?
Not much.
What's going on here, buddy? What you got here, huh?
Little turbo.
What size is this big thing?
78.
78. That's a big 78. It's a pretty looking turbo key you have here.
Sure.
Oh. Where's all your harness, huh? Bluetooth harness? I see you. So we're making some taquacha stuff.
Yeah, I heard. Right here, you lit up.
What's up?
What's up, guy?
Throw a little whale right here for the monkey. Looks alright. Looks alright.
All right. Hey, the truck's ready.
Alright. Give me 1 second.
They got the CO2.
They got the CO2?
When is it going on the Dyno?
What? This truck? Shit, right now, probably. talking about the boosters.
Yeah, it's nice.
I like it. When they install them right.
That your favorite boost controller?
Nah, AMS.
AMS, all right, all right. Yep. Gonna cool it off a little bit. How much boost was that last one?
That's 20 pounds.
20 pounds, all right.
Go up to like 28.4, I think. Or I'm gonna go up and see if it actually gives 24.
Okay. How much boost is that?
21.
All right. All right.
What was the boost on the previous?
20?
Guessing like 15 degrees.
Looking good, looking good.
Little monkey. What you doing, little monkey? Rigging up some stuff. For my truck. What's up, Mo?
What's up?
Man, I think the turbo's already close to.
It's already out.
I added like 6 to the dome and picked the 1.5 inch.
Oh, so that pressure's way up.
We'll add another 5 and see if it picks up a bit more, but once we get diminishing returns, that's it. I'm gonna turbo cover.
Okay. How's the duty cycle looking now with the new pump?
60, I think 60%.
60?
It went from 90 to 60.
210s, right?
With the 5 GPM?
Oh,
Eight,
the air motor, the one that was on that other car.
Yeah. It works good.
Can't hear shit with it.
Yeah. I think that one's okay.
Huh?
I think that
No,
one.
you can't hear shit.
You can't? Oh.
I trust me. When I filmed, you couldn't hear shit.
Little chicken wing.
Making sure.
We got. What's up, Bingo Bomber?
What's up? What's up? We got
Welcome.
blur out of space. We got blur out of space.
Welcome to Horsepower Factory.
We got on the spot out again. SBD. Yes, sir. Always do.
What's up, man?
What's up with you?
How's that OG body?
She's going, man. I'm trying to build a motor for it. So, Joe, you finished the motor or what?
What are you doing?
You doing a Gen 5 internals? Yeah, I
what
found
are
a
we
set
talking
of
about?
What we're talking
I
about?
found a set of Gen 5 rods, so
Uh-huh.
I'm putting those on a stock crank, and I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with the pistons yet.
Yeah, the piston height is different, right?
No, it's the same.
Same?
It's all
Okay.
the same. The only difference is the bearing
wrist pin?
tabs.
Oh.
The bearing tabs are different.
The
I
wrist
remember
pin
seeing a
setup
video
the
on
same?
this. I just can't remember.
Yeah, the bearing tabs are a little different, so you got to use like OEM bearings. So I found a guy that sent me a set of bearings and a set of rods, pretty cheap.
Oh, damn.
Yeah,
Okay.
but
How much stronger are the Gen 5 rods than like Gen 4?
I'll show you a picture. Let me show you a picture.
Yeah, show me. Because we had this argument with Caesar. He's like, nah. I'm like, yeah, dude, I remember reading about it.
First off, this is the rod that I just took out of my motor.
Oh, that shit look crooked.
How do these things survive? How do these rods survive? I drove that bitch home.
Yeah.
How does it survive? How does it survive being that bent and it doesn't bust the wrist pin support out?
Well, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
See another one?
Yeah.
How do they survive?
What do you mean, how do they survive?
How do they survive being that bent?
He's thinking like maybe
He
they're-
drove it home.
You drove home?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I mean, how does it not bust the wrist pin support out of the piston?
Yeah, I'm not sure. I've seen a lot of.
You would think it would bind.
I've seen a lot of aftermarket shit. They just rip the pin out.
Yeah.
And, but the pin says, nah, fam.
Not today.
I'm a bend. I guess that's why maybe they bend.
Oh damn.
That's
Gen
that's the
5.
Yeah.
Look around the meter on the wrist
Well,
pin.
this is an LT4 also. I don't think that all the Gen 5 stuff is the same. But that's an LT4.
Yeah, look at it, even around there.
Yeah, it's monster.
Yeah, dude. Oh shit.
all right.
One more.
Pool time.
Wonder what's the gram difference?
Oh, he
Ready?
weighed. Didn't you weigh?
I
it?
didn't weigh it.
Yeah.
I thought you
but
showed me a
could-
picture. You're like 66 or something.
Oh, well, yeah, the guy had it on a scale. I got a scale at the house.
Okay.
I'll weigh it. Looking good, looking good.
How much boost?
That's 25 pounds.
I got away with that. I didn't
25 pounds.
They came out really good, man.
It goes 30 pounds.
That's it.
All right, so we're gonna do the last one, but you're not gonna show the number.
Okay. All right.
All right.
All the boost.
Should make some more power. Yeah. You really need more power than that? I mean, in the end, all I'm doing is power. Yeah, that's true.
The suspense is real.
Come on, pick me up. I'm scared.
That's it. How much boost is that?
That's 28 pounds.
28. Stock by the man.
Stock by the man.
Still got oil pressure.
Cooling pressure perfect.
Cooling pressure still good.
I like that. I like that.
All right, all right.
That's it. That's it for this truck, man. Hopefully they have fun with it.
Gonna have to tune in on the next episode.
How much is there? 28.